Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Microvision Inc, and the stock is probably ready to give you, I don't know whether I can say 10 bagger, 20 bagger or 30 bagger. So that's not a big thing here. The thing here is the stock has actually started its uptrend, and how to identify a trend and what are the levels that we are going to see in this particular stock, that's what we are going to discuss in this particular video. Now first of all, this is a monthly chart, so the time frame will be on the longer side. Okay, so this trend is not for those who are looking for a specific amount of time or a very short period, though that should be a known fact here. Now if you are looking at this level, okay, and that too if you are using a I would say candlestick chart. So there will be difference in candlestick and line chart, as you all know. Okay, so if you are using line chart, then you can realize that the stock has actually made a breakout above 3.29. But if you are using a candlestick chart, one should wait for the stock to surpass 4.3, or you can say 4.5, which will be considered as a big breakout. Now there is a case of a risk as well. So let's say if the stock indeed make a new high at 4.3 or 4.5 but doesn't go through or doesn't go beyond 4.5 and started falling, then you will have your first support at 3.29 and next support at 1.13. So you should know if in case of any downturn where the stock should lead you to, and below 1.13, even if you are very strong enough, so just understand the risk and then hold your position. Otherwise you can better off with your position rather than waiting for the losses to get recovered. Now if the stock sustain above 4.5, what will happen? So that's what we are going to discuss here. But before that, I'll draw your attention to this trend. What I have done is simply draw a trend line which is actually acting as a sub resistance, and now we have seen a breakout above the trend line. So if this sustains, or if it actually a breakout, then it's just a start of a new trend or a big bull trend. Okay, so if it sustain above 4.5, let me draw all the levels which you are going to see probably in the weeks as well as in the months to come. So I'll restrict myself here to a certain level, but still if the stock sustain above $4.5, then you will have your next target directly at 9.5, which is nearly double than your breakout. Then we have $22 followed by $24. After that we have $45, and it could go to as high as $88. So that's the opportunity we are discussing here, and as you can see, it is probably a 20 bagger move, which could probably unveil if the breakout upholds and if it indeed sustain above $4.5. So each and every step does had its own importance. So each and every levels and does has its own importance. So we will go one step after another, because we do know that the stock can't move directly from $5 to $88, because there are lots of level or there are lots of resistance or correction points, and probably I have mentioned most of them, the important ones. You can use them, but the levels, and with this kind of breakout, although the stock has already moved, as you can see, at 2600%, but if you are looking at 2600%, then it's definitely a big rise. But we are looking this one in the this bounce back in the context of overall chart, where we can see the stock has recently started its bounce back, and let's see how the trend looks like. But if such certain level, in this case which is at 4.5 cross, then we are looking at a very big opportunity, which one can see probably in the months as well as in the years to come. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.